happened. Never thought it would happen, but it happened. Last night, the wife and I were out having a night on the town, come back, and we were just enjoying it. And we were really getting after it, and all of a sudden, right in the middle of it, the protection breaks. And what are you going to do? Your protection breaks, and you got to continue on. So I'm a little concerned because we're right in the middle of it. You can't stop. You have to continue on because you just have to accept the consequences. You can't just stop in the middle of it. So, yeah, I don't know.
Dude, seriously.
What?
I thought this was like a G-rated channel.
Yeah, it
We're
is.
supposed to be talking about the car. What are you talking about?
I was.
Seriously? Your protection broke?
Yeah. Oh, hey, sorry about that. Yeah, so anyway, like I was saying, the protection broke. I think if you remember in the last video, I talked about wrapping the carbon fiber hood. Yep, had a little bubble in there, and the wind caught it. Wife and I were out for dinner, coming back home, wind caught it and ripped it up. So tore it back off. So yeah, so that's what I was talking about. I'm sorry.
Dude, I can't leave you alone with the camera.
I'm sorry.
What's up?
I don't know. So anyway, we're gonna go through. We're gonna take this off. We're gonna try reapplying it again. I got some rapid tack, some different product. Hopefully, it'll help get it on a little easier, and we'll just kind of get after that. So. everybody. So I showed a little bit of the video of us putting on the wrap. It's hard. I mean, we tried the wrap attack stuff. It didn't work out all that well. Actually, didn't work at all. Quite honestly, so we ended up using some heat. I didn't video the whole thing because it just takes a lot of time. We're not professionals at it, and just trying to figure out our way around. But we'll go ahead and show you the final result. I think it turned out pretty well. Pretty happy with it. Obviously, you know, it's mainly for protection. I like the looks of it as well. So I'll go ahead and kind of show you what that looks like. So we got the hood done here. Turned out very, very well. I think we got this thing, you know, adhered down because this is the area where the bubble was, and this is where it peeled off. So I think we're in good shape there. We did the top. Top came out very, very well. So pretty happy with that. And we did the halo. So I think it looks pretty cool. So we're in good shape. And really, what this was all for was for the Kentucky Gumball Rally. So we were going to on Thursday, or actually Friday of next week, we are headed off to Kentucky to go to the Kentucky Gumball Rally. So we're gonna have hopefully some pretty cool video. I'm really excited about this. We're going to the Bowling Green track, and we're gonna be cruising around Kentucky. So it's gonna be pretty cool. So want to get the car done, get that protected, so we're all set to go, and I think we're ready to go. So we'll have some good video hopefully next time to show you from Kentucky, and yeah, so I think it'll be pretty cool. Thank you as always. Thank you for watching. Appreciate the support. Give us a big thumbs up if you would. Hit that subscribe button over there, and we will be talking to you from Kentucky. Thanks. Talk to you later.